a large-scale drug operation inside a family home. That's what police uncovered during a raid on an upmarket property in Umhlatuzana near Chatsworth. Now, the intelligence-driven operation was not by chance. This bust forms part of a wider crackdown on well-established local drug dealers. Police have been investigating this syndicate for 3 years. Guns and significant quantities of drugs, including cocaine, heroin and mandrax, were seized.
The operation started during the early hours of the morning in the Chatsworth area, which is actually just the neighboring area to Umhlatuzana, where I am now. And it was there that they locked down that particular unit where they were. While they were there, information also led them to this property that you see behind me. And this has now become the focal point. You might be able to get a view of one of the suspects that is inside there. He's been handcuffed. That's the property owner. And it's believed that he is running an operation here which is supplying and packaging drugs and supplying drug dealers in the neighboring area. And police are saying that this is part of the bigger picture, really, because this industry, this drug industry and the drug trade here south of Durban is essentially so far wide that it goes out of this area and it even supplies dealers down the south coast. So they're hoping that something like this, where they've interrupted those operations, will have a significant impact on the trade more broadly than just what you see in front of us right now.